Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss assignments for FA1. बच्चे आप लोगों ने ये सभी क्वेश्चंस करना. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी कि सभी क्वेश्चंस 20 के 20 इन 83 में से होंगे. 2, 3, 4 क्वेश्चंस आउटसाइड से भी होंगे, क्योंकि दोज आर फॉर दोज स्टूडेंट्स हु स्टडी लाइन बाय लाइन. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ विल डिस्कस द क्वेश्चंस एंड द की पॉइंट्स. व्हाट ड्रेड डिड फ्रांस हैव? फ्रांस को क्या डर था? He was afraid of what? Scolding by the teacher, because he had not prepared participles. Why didn't he want to go to school? School क्यों नहीं जाना चाहता था? Because he was interested more in outside activities. Moreover, he was not prepared with his homework. What sights did he see on the way? रास्ते में उसने क्या क्या दिखा? रास्ते में on the way he saw Persian soldiers. He saw crowd near the bulletin board. What tempted him more than classroom? Outside activities tempted him more. What did he see near the town hall? He saw a crowd near the bulletin board in the town hall. What was order from Berlin? That क्या order आया था? That Germany has defeated France, and from tomorrow French language is banned in France. How did Franz develop interest in mother tongue? When he came to know that his mother tongue was banned in his own country and his teacher Hamel was going, he developed sudden interest. Why did Mr. Hamel blame parents and himself? Because both the teachers and parents ask the students to do their personal work and not allow them to study. What did Mr. Hamel say about French language? He said that French language is the most beautiful, the most logical language in the world. How did Mr. Hamel say farewell to the school? He wore special dress on that day, and he wrote on the blackboard, Vive la France. Moreover, he delivered a lecture only in French, not in history, because he was history teacher also. Why will the German not be able to make the pigeons sing in German language? Because they can make our body slaves, not our souls. Why did villagers come to school? They had come to school to thank Mr. Hamel and to learn basics of the language. What change occurred in the school and class? On that day, there was Sunday-like silence, no noise. Students were already sitting in the class and teacher was delivering lecture. What was thunderclap for France? Ban on French language and departure of his teacher Mr. Hamel was a thunderclap for him. Now assignment 2. What are hazards of working in Bengal industry? They had to work before hot furnaces in dark and dingy cells. What did people of Firozabad think of destiny? They thought that it was God-given lineage. There was no other profession, no other industry in Firozabad, so they thought that it was their destiny to work in Bengal industry. What could the Bengal makers not, why could they not unite? Because they were sent into prisons if they tried to unite. They were exploited. What happened when Williams was 2-3 years old? He went to California with his father, where he was about to drown in the water. Why did he want to overcome his fear of water? क्यों fear of water से बाहर आना चाहता था? Because he loved water games. What did he do to overcome his fear and why? He made constant efforts, and he even took training from an instructor. What misadventure he faced at YMCA pool? A big boy threw him into the water. What did he plan when he was drowning? He planned to jump to the surface as soon as he touched the bottom. How did the misadventure affect Douglas? He could not sleep. He could not eat for many days. How did the instructor help Douglas? He tied a belt around his waist, and that belt was tied again with the rope, and the rope was tied to an overhead cable. What did Douglas do to reassure himself? He swam in the YMCA pool alone, and then he went to Wentworth Lake to test his swimming. From where did the paddler get the idea of world being rat trap? कब आया था उसको idea? One day when he was sitting alone, suddenly this idea struck his mind. Why was he amused by this idea? He thought that all the people are trapped and he himself was not trapped. Moreover, people did not like him. Did the paddler expect the kind of hospitality that he received from the crofter? No, he did not, because people never welcomed him. How did the crofter receive the paddler and why? Crofter received the paddler in a very friendly manner. Why means kyun? Because he was also a lonely person and he was happy to get a company. Why was the crofter so talkative and friendly with the paddler? Again, same answer. He was a lonely person with no family and he was happy to have a company. Why did he show 30 kroner to the paddler? The paddler seemed to be disbelieving. उसे belief नहीं हो रहा था. So he showed him the 30 kroners. Did the paddler respect the confidence reposed? No, he did not repose. He stole the money. What made the paddler think that he had indeed fallen into a trap? He lost his way and he could not come out of the jungle, and he thought that he was fallen into the trap and 30 kroner was his bait. Why did the paddler decline the offer of the iron master? Because he thought he did not want to increase his problem. He was already trapped. Now assignment 3. What made the paddler accept Edla's invitation? Edla invited him in a very compassionate way and he felt confidence in her. So he accepted. What did Edla gauge about the paddler? She guessed that he was either a thief or escaped from jail. Why did Iron Master want to hand the paddler over to the police? Because he knew that paddler was not his old acquaintance. Why did the paddler sign himself as Captain Von Stolle? Because he was treated like a captain by Edla. What is difference between Iron Master and his daughter? Iron Master could not know who the paddler was. He mistook him for his old acquaintance. But Edla was very intelligent. He at once guessed that he was either a thief or escaped from prison. Why do Gandhi go to Lucknow? Gandhi went to Lucknow to attend a meeting of Indian National Congress. Why did Rajkumar Shukla meet Gandhi? Rajkumar Shukla wanted help from Gandhi for the poor peasants of Champaran. How did he persuade Gandhi to come to Champaran? He followed Gandhi everywhere and at last he was able to persuade Gandhiji by telling him the problems of the sharecroppers. How was Gandhi treated by servants? Here servants are servants of Rajendra Prasad. They thought that Gandhi was a poor peasant and they did not allow Gandhi to take water from the well. And why did they think so? Because Gandhi was dressed like a peasant and moreover he was with Rajkumar Shukla, another peasant. Why did Gandhi chide the lawyers? The lawyers were collecting high fee from the Champaran peasants. So when Gandhi came to know, he chided them. Why did Gandhi go to Muzaffarpur? Gandhi went to Muzaffarpur to get complete information about the case. Thank you, students.